if you want to build a website for yourself, for your business, for others, without having a monthly fee, and basically you own all the files, there's a new app that's going to be reviewed right now called SheliSite. SheliSite allows you to own the entire files, and it's all online. Let me show you how it works. All it is a file that you drop onto, you just extract the files that you get when you order SheliSite onto your home directory of the website. So for example, if your website is SheliSite.com, you drop all the files that you get into that folder. Then when you go to SheliSite/SheliSite, you'll be able to actually build your own, to continue building your website. So as you can see, it's quite similar to Loveable, but it's actually completely on your server. It means you get access to actually build your own website on your own server without paying anybody a monthly fee, which basically is a game changer. Now, I do want to do a big disclaimer. I don't want to mislead anyone. This works without only with PHP and JavaScript. What that means is that it's limited. It can do a lot. Trust me on this one. It can do a lot. It can create very good portfolio websites or websites with information, but it can't really create a back end for the user. It can't do those complicated things. Having said that, it does do quite crazy things, like as you can see, like animations, hovers, and it can create quite nice kind of sites. Let me show you another site that I've built with SheliSite. It's actually our homepage. So this is our homepage called Solutions, and it hosts all of our different softwares, as you can see over here. And what's fantastic about it is that you can then organize and you can upload files. And if you look over here, I'll show you once again in the browser, all I need to do to edit this is type SheliSite right after the domain, and I can actually edit the website and continue basically editing it. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, I just logged in from within the website. It means you no longer do you have to pay monthly to have a AI-powered website. Now, for this specific example, I actually want to show you me building a website. We're going to give it an idea, and then we're going to ask it to do something together so that you can see how it works and how fantastic it is. It also has the ability to restore to previous prompts, and you can add more pages as well, like the Who Are We page and Contact Us. Oh, you can't see it. As you can see on the top right, you can ask for more pages, and it also works on mobile phone. So it's absolutely fantastic. It also allows you to click on this button here, which will allow you to edit the actual files in the database. So here's the database. As you can see, you can literally plug in to the home page area the text in the Who Are We page. You can literally edit it yourself if you're inclined that way. But you obviously don't have to. You don't have to deal with any code. It's all done within the chat right over here on my right hand side. You just type in what you want, create a portfolio website for a photographer, for example, and it does it for you. Now, this is absolutely unbelievable. It's a game changer in the AI market, and I just want to show you what it can do. What I'm going to do, I'm actually going to create a new folder called Have Fun within the main folder. And then I'm going to click on it, and I'm actually going to show you, this is an example of me actually building a site with you right now. It won't take a second. I just have to drop the files here. So now that it's going to be on the Have Fun directory, so I want to create a new folder called SheliSite, because that's the only way this is going to work. And then I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to upload all of the files, the files you get. They are all over here. And then I'm going to paste them in, just drop them in to this folder here. And then we're going to go to the Have Fun page. As you can see, it all happens in one go. And now let's go to the site. So we're on the SheliSite.com/have fun. Okay, and then /SheliSite. So as you can see, this is what you get when you drop the files in to your website. You can straight away start build your own website with your own server. All you need to do is create a master password, which you must not forget, and an API key for Gemini. To get your Gemini API key, just click this link here. It will take you to a page where you can then grab your API key from down here, or create one by clicking this button on the top right of the screen, and then you just plug it in. Let's do that right now. Okay, I just clicked submit. I put my Gemini API key and a password, and we're in. So this is how the site looks. And now if we go back to the SheliSite / have fun, let me just show you that up here. Okay, so this is what we have right now. It's obviously not ready because we have to start telling it to do something. So let's tell it to do something. Let's say create a portfolio website for a photographer, and then we'll click build. And now what you're about to see is fantastic. This is the equivalent of Loveable just on your actual server. It's like you own Loveable. And once you own this software, you can just build as many sites. This is perfect for people who build a lot of sites and need a lot of portfolios for different businesses, especially if you're using AI to build software. You probably want to be able to build a site like this quickly. So as you can see, this is the website that was just built right now, and you can see how it looks. Let's go to the actual page and see how it looks. All right, here it is, SheliSite. Sorry, I've gone to the wrong page. So here it is now, SheliSite.com / have fun. As you can see the domain here, and it's on my actual website. So what you're seeing here is going to be, you'll be able to see that there, which is absolutely fantastic. So we've just built a website on the fly. Now, let's say I wanted it to be, make the CSS light themed, please. I wanted to change it from dark themed to light themed. Let's test this out. Let's see if it actually works. And after that, we're going to use some JavaScript to see if it can create a game, perhaps, and see if it can create a new page. And you can have a little idea and see what you can do with this tool. It's pretty fantastic. It's going to save you a lot of money on monthly memberships and subscriptions. If you're just building basic websites like this, you don't need to pay so much money. You can buy this for a one-time fee. Whatever it is, you can figure it out. You can find it on our website or in the link in the description to see how much it costs right now. I'm sure the price is constantly changing, but we're changing it to a light themed CSS, as you can see on the left side of my screen. And over here, sorry, excuse me, it's on this side. So in a few seconds, that prompt up here is going to be applied and it's building. Let me just move myself out the way so you can see better what I'm doing here. So it's building. It will take about a minute. And it will change the site to look more light themed instead of dark themed. There we go. It changed to light themed. So remember, all of this was done together. You've watched me do this. There's no secrets. You can see everything. Now, let's rename the site header to Photographers Inc. So now we're renaming the site header to Photographers Inc. So I'm hoping it's going to change this now to Photographers Inc. Fantastic. So it's really working. I mean, it's doing the same kind of job which you'd expect from a website builder. Now, add a new page called Tetris and add a mini Tetris game to it. So now we're getting a bit more complicated. We're trying to use some code, some JavaScript, which is going to work on a new page to see if this SheliSite is able to do this. Now remember, you can also upload photos, which will then be used in the actual page, meaning logos, etc. It's going to use logos on the actual page as well. So you can upload those from the beginning. It helps. And you can even choose uploaded photos by clicking this, and it will do this. So as you can see, a new page has been created. It's called Tetris. Let's click on Tetris and see if it works. Play Tetris. Okay, so it's more of an... okay, let's play Start Game. Okay, it didn't actually add Tetris game. Add Tetris to the Tetris page. It made the page, but it didn't make the game. I asked it to add the Tetris game to the Tetris page up there, as you can see. And just remember, this is all on your servers. You own this. This is yours. It means nobody can take this away from you. Even if Loveable goes bust and closes down, this is yours. All the information is yours. Let's try and see if Tetris is there. Okay, I can't seem to find the Tetris on the Tetris page. So as you can see, it's more for basic websites, portfolio style. Let's see what we can do. Okay, you know what? I'm going to restore to the previous version by clicking this button here, so that at least the Tetris page will be more organized. Okay. Add Tetris game to the home page so that it is playable. Okay, we're asking now to put Tetris on the home page instead. Let's refresh this. So this is how it was before. Remember, this was built on our own server. After this, I'm going to upload a picture and show you how that works. And then I'm going to show you more details. Okay, so it's finally added Tetris to the page. The issue is that when I click restart or start game, nothing comes down. So I've gone back to the SheliSite builder and said Tetris is there, but after clicking, nothing is happening. And hopefully now it will actually work. Let's refresh this. This is the actual preview, the actual website. Okay, still no luck. No pieces are coming down. Okay, after that, let's test it. Fantastic. Okay, it's working. This site builder can actually build Tetris, believe it or not, which is fantastic, because what that means is that you can now use AI to build simple-ish or even quite complicated websites, and then you can actually use the space bar for it to go down. I'm going to put a link to this page on what's it called? Oh, I'm getting quite into this actually. I'm just trying to see how to spin it. I don't know how to spin the I don't know what button it's set for the spinning. Okay, whatever. So basically, you can actually go to this page and test this out. It works perfectly. So this was a photographer website that we just built now using SheliSite on this domain up here, which I'm actually going to link in the description. And that concludes this video. Yeah, you can think of it how you want to use it. Oh yeah, we forgot. I wanted to do one last thing, is to upload a photo. So let me upload a photo of a logo. Okay, so I've added the logo by clicking choose file. This is my logo. Add it to the hero section on the home page. And there we go. So I'm hoping it will add it somewhere around over here. And once I finish with that, you kind of get the idea. It's very similar to Loveable. It's very powerful because it uses JavaScript and PHP. And it's fantastic. So if you want to give it a go, click the link in the description. You have to purchase it to use it, because once you have it, you can use it on as many websites as you want. It's unlimited use. You're just not allowed to share the actual source files with other people. You can use them for yourself alone. And so let's just wait for the logo to be added. And then we've kind of finished this demo and instruction manual video for you to see how this could work for you. Oh, I randomly got a pop-up here. SheliSite says, game over, your score is 0. Restart to play again. That's because we probably lost in Tetris. It's so funny. You're trying to build a website and you're getting a game over in the middle. Fantastic. It's basically worked perfectly. It's added my logo to the hero section, as you can see over here. So I'm going to link to this page in the description so you can check it out and see it for yourself. This is the page that you're going to come to. Let me just refresh it so you can see the logo that I added. And that's it. You can basically build whatever you kind of need or want. and it will do the job for you. It's pretty fantastic. Definitely not as powerful as Loveable, but the advantages are that you will be able to have full control over the files and you won't have to pay Loveable. It's on your server. There's no monthly fees. You get full access and you can edit the HTML and CSS directly if you want to. And Loveable also has this annoying built by Loveable at the bottom, no recurring payments, and it's on your servers. If you like it, get it.